Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm at again back with Meesho haul, and this time I'm gonna show you guys some jewelries and hair accessories. I hope you like this video. ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ಮೀಶೋ ಹಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇರ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸರೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Lot of you watch my videos but don't subscribe. Please do it guys, because it takes lot of effort to make the videos. So I hope you will support me, and yeah, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Alright, the first product which I'm gonna show you guys is this earring set. So this is how you get. This is like a combo. You get like 5 pieces in this. So you can see there is one butterfly and these two studs with this big studs. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Although it looks very beautiful, it has turned a little dark, which means it has become oxidized. So I would not suggest you guys to buy this one because the quality is not that great. And but if you want to buy it, you can buy. I will put the product link in the description box. ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು. ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೈ ದೋಸ್ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ಸ್. Okay, the next product which I'm gonna show you guys is like hair clips. So I've received like 6 hair clips. They have given it in a box, so it's not broken or something. I have received this in a very good packaging, and this is how the clips looks like. I have received 6 set of clips here. And the price of this particular clip is 189 rupees. After discount you get it for 173 rupees. So for 173 rupees you are getting 6 set of clips, which is a great thing. It's a great deal guys. You can definitely buy this. If possible I'll put a try on video, you can see. So ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ 173 rupees ಗೆ 6 set of clips ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡೀಲ್. If you like it, definitely go for it guys. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಟ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸೈಜ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಸೈಜ್ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್, ಬಟ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಗೈಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚೀಪ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟರ್ಡಿ. ಸೊ definitely you can buy this one. I would highly recommend this product to you guys. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next product which I'm going to show you guys, I received in this box. Okay, it's like a hair clip, and this is how I have received it. This is a very interesting product. Okay, this is how the product looks like. Very beautiful. It looks like waterfalls. So I will post a try on video how you can style this. So behind you get this clip, so you can just open this clip and you can fix your hair like this. So let me just show you on my hair now. So you can just fix it like this. So this is how it looks like. So not here, I mean you have to fix it back, but I'm just showing you guys how to fix this. Okay, the price of this product is 189 rupees. After discount you get it for 172 rupees. If you're planning for a photo shoot or something, I think this is going to look really beautiful if you style this to your hair. I would recommend this product, but it's very delicate. You have to be very careful while you are using this product. So this product ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ 172 rupees after discount. ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಫೋಟೋ ಶೂಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವೇರ್ಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಹೇರಿಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ನೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾ, ಐ ವುಡ್ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್, go for it guys. Let's move on to the next one. The next product which I'm going to show you guys, I received in this box. Okay, this is a very beautiful earrings. So this is how it looks like. This is like a hoop. Let me open it and show you guys. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ. ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಥ್ನಿಕ್ ವೇರ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ನೈಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಥ್ನಿಕ್ ವೇರ್ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲುಕ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಶೋ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಒನ್. Just look at it. It's a beautiful earrings, and the quality of this earrings is really beautiful. I mean the quality is really good. This is how it looks like. Very pretty earrings, guys. Okay, the price of this particular product is 211 rupees. After discount, you get it for 186 rupees. Definitely, this is a very good option if you are looking for a good quality earrings. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಹ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 186 rupees. ಇದ್ರ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗೈಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. Okay, the next product which I'm going to show you guys, I received in this box. Okay, this is how the earrings looks like. It's in pink color, peach pink color. Okay, this is how it looks like. Let me show you guys one. Yeah, just look at it. It's a beautiful earrings, and if I tell you the price of this product, you will be amazed, because I got this earrings just for rupees 85, but they have added 73 rupees of additional charges for transportation, but they have given some discount, that is 21 rupees. It will come up to 137 rupees again. It's a very pretty earring, so you can see the finishing. It's really nice. And you can wear this with ethnic wear dresses. It looks really nice. So ee product price bandu 137 rupees after discount. Tumba chanagide, nimge ishta adre tagolli. Tumba great anta enilla, but reasonable agi ee product chanagide. Andre ee price ge ee product tumba chanagide ansutte nange. The next product which I'm going to show you guys, I've received in this box. Okay, this is one of my favorite, guys. It looks really pretty. It's like a hair accessories. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This is like a bow, white color bow. It looks really pretty, and you get this kind of finishing. Very beautiful piece, and behind you get this clip, so you can just open it and just fix it to your hair. It looks really beautiful. I think this kind of hair accessories looks really beautiful if you want to do a photo shoot, or if you're going to a beach or something. To do photo shoots, this kind of hair clips looks really pretty. I would definitely recommend to you guys. It's just 158 rupees if you want to have something different, and yeah, this looks really cute as well. I would definitely recommend this, guys. If you like this, go for it. ಈ ಹೇರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 158 rupees. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫೋಟೋಶೂಟ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಫೋಟೋಶೂಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೊ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಫೋಟೋಶೂಟ್, ಗೈಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವುಡ್ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. Next product which I'm going to show you guys, I received in this packaging. I haven't opened this packaging yet. Okay, I received in this box, so they have packed it neatly, and let me see the quality of the product. Okay, yeah, this is how I have received the product. Just look at it, guys. It is such a beautiful earrings, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Very, very pretty. You can again wear this with ethnic wear dresses. It looks really nice, and the quality of this product is really good, guys. And even the kundan looks really pretty. It's not like a sticker. It's like, yeah, I think it's a sticker, but it looks really nice. The finishing is really good, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, the price of this particular jhumka is 226 rupees. After discount, you get it for 204 rupees. I think it's a very good option if you are looking for a affordable jhumkas to wear it to function or festivals. I mean, you can wear this for a couple of times and just discard this, but definitely a very good option if you are looking for a reasonable, jhumkas. It looks really pretty. I'll show you the other one as well. This is how it looks like. Very very pretty guys. If you like it, go for it. Ee particular jhumka price bandu 204 rupees after discount. Tumba ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ guys. So ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. The next product which I'm gonna show you guys is hair clips. So I received like this, I guess. So there was no box for this. So I received this butterfly hair clips. There are like 6 colors, I mean 6 pieces in this. So this is how I have received it. They have like a yellow color, green, blue, white and light pink and dark pink color. So it's not like they will give you the particular color whatever you're seeing in the picture. They will give you different colors, but whatever I have received is a very good quality clips. See, this is how it looks like. If possible, I'll post a try on video also. And the price of this particular product is 112 rupees. After discount you get it for 91 rupees. I think 91 is like a steal deal, I can say. Definitely I would recommend this particular clips to you guys. It's like it's not even like 15 rupees per piece. Definitely I would recommend this product to you guys. Ee product price bandu 91 rupees. Nimge 6 pair of clips sikta ide. Very good offer. Nimge ishta adre tagoli. So we'll move on to the next one. Okay, the next product which I'm gonna show you guys, I received in this box. Okay, this is one of my favorite. They have given a thank you card also for this. So they are asking me to give 5 stars. Definitely I'll give if I like this product. So this is how the product looks like. It looks really beautiful, and behind they have mentioned like the product cost is 499 rupees. Let me show you the product. Okay, just look at it. Very very beautiful piece guys. It's very different, and yeah, this is how it looks like. Very very pretty earrings, and the quality of this earrings is really, you know, premium. Okay, the price of this particular earrings is 211 rupees. After discount you get it for 189 rupees. Definitely this is a very affordable earrings because the quality of this earrings is really pretty. Ee product price bandu 189 rupees. Neevu definite agi tagobodu because quality tumba chennagide. The next product which I'm going to show you guys, I received in this packaging with this box, and this is how the product looks like. I got this product just for this one earrings, and this is how it looks like. Let me open it and show you guys. This is how the earrings looks like. It looks really boho. I think this kind of earrings looks really nice if you're going to a beach or something, or for photo shoots also. This looks really pretty. And the price of this particular earrings is 273 rupees. After discount you get it for 247 rupees. It's not just one product. I have received couple of other products also with this. It's like a combo, and this is the next one. Very cute, you know, sunflower design. I don't know which flower is this, but it doesn't look like sunflower though. Okay, this is how it looks like. And the next one is like a stud. This is how it looks like. Very very pretty pieces, I guess. So yeah, this kind of pieces looks really pretty. And there's one more, this like white color stud. So I hope you guys can see. And the price of this particular earrings is okay, the price of this particular earrings is 273 rupees. After discount you get it for 247 rupees. I think it's a pretty cool earrings. If you like it, definitely go for it guys. The quality is like okay. And ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 247 rupees. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಒಂಥರ ನೀವು ಬೀಚ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಫೋಟೋಶೂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ ಬೀಚ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಇಯರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋಟೋಶೂಟ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಯರ್ ಬೀಚ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ಪೂಲ್. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ, ಸೊ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, we have come to a last product of this haul. I received in this packaging with this 2 boxes. There are 2 products in this. And I really love this earrings guys. I'm not even exaggerating. This product quality is top notch. And let me show you the product first. just look at this earrings. I mean, the quality is so nice, guys, and the price, I'll tell you guys, it's very, very reasonable. And if you're looking for a good quality earrings, I think this can be your option. Very nice earrings. It has like a marble finish. Price of this earrings after discount is 222 rupees. I think it's a very good option if you're looking for a really good quality earrings. It looks really premium, guys. I would 100% recommend this product to you guys. Ee product tumba chennagide quality. After discount the product price bandu 222 rupees. I think it's a very good option. You can wear this with ethnic wear dresses and also with any western wear dresses also. It goes really well. Definitely a very good option, guys. I'll show you the next product. Next product is also from the same vendor, and this is also in a black color. Okay, this is how the product looks like. Again, this product quality is really good. It's not like metal, only this thing is metal and this is plastic. And again, this product quality looks really pretty. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It looks really pretty, guys. You can wear this with ethnic wear dresses and also with western wear dresses. And the price of this particular product is 177 rupees. After discount you get it for 171 rupees. Definitely this is a very good option. If you like it, definitely you can go for it. I will put all the product link in the description box. Ee product price bandu 171 rupees after discount. Idu sah tumba chennagide. So naan iduna plastic ankonde, but idu wood idu bandu metal. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದ್ರ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದು ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇದೆರಡೂ ಬಂದು ಸೇಮ್ ವೆಂಡರ್ ಕಳಿಸಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. That is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಾದರೂ ನನ್ನ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. And also follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload a next video, take care. Bye-bye.